Raccoon. Raccoon. What the? Hey dudes, and this is Trixie Mattel's new album, the Blonde and Pink albums, and I'm gonna unbox it. So, look at this CD, it is cracked. What luck. This came from Amazon, so yeah, I don't know. I just don't like that it's cracked. Hopefully the CD inside is fine. Anyway, let me unwrap this. Oh my goodness, this CD is so tightly wrapped that I can't remove it. What? Alright. Ooh. Let's see if the CD is okay. Ooh, look at that. The CD is fine. Wait a minute, there's some scratches inside here and that is annoying, but hopefully this will read properly. The CD looks like this, the Blonde album and the Pink album. And put this back and let's see what's here. Basically this is an insert. This is the insert, which is just the cover. Here's the back of it, and this is what's inside. It's basically credits. There's no lyrics, and that's sad. Alright, let me put this back on. There we go! So this is Trixie Mattel's new album, the Blonde and Pink albums. So what do you think, dudes? Have you bought this album too? Let me know in the comments down below. Donation is done.